My ride is coming to pick me up right now. See it? I can't see him. Do you see him? Where is he? I can't see him. Oh, oh, oh. How awesome it is. What are you doing down here? Why do you have a backpack, sir? Are you causing trouble?
Nope.
Oh, just in the nick of time.
1 hour earlier.
Just got a truck wash. What's the name of this place? Rodeo Car Wash in Clovis. And look how shiny it is now. Ooh. Ah. It's so close to being done. Look at that. It's never been, no, it's been washed before, but not so well. Oh, everything black is black and white is white. Mm-hmm. Let's see if we can talk to the guy. Hi. What's your name, sir?
Victor.
Victor?
Yes.
I'm interviewing Victor. You're doing an excellent job.
Thank you.
I washed it last time, like not that long ago, which is why it's so dirty. I gave up. It was dark outside. I couldn't see what I was doing, though, in my defense. But it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
You like that Jack Daniels box I got? The guy at Loma Vista Market, and Sandra gave it to me. He's real cool. Came through. Look what he has right there. He was like, no, I got it for you this time. You're not going to be disappointed. And he was right. Woo! Happy Friday to me.
I'm pretty sure my buddy will too. Where's it?
What, like it?
Yeah.
Oh, because it got hooked up on the Jack,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
We're about to meet, what's his name?
Jay.
Jay's for Jack. Jay's hooked on Jack Daniels. He loves it. He drinks it like water.
Yeah, he does.
He does. He actually, he's drunk right now. Probably day drinks. He has one of those Camel packs. It's full of Jack Daniels. That's what Victor said. So where's Jay, the Jack lover?
He's on the other side.
He's hiding from us because he knows that we know he's drunk. He's worried about being on camera.
He's doing rims right now.
Oh, he's doing the rims. Don't bug him. Don't bug him. I want to accuse him of drinking Jack Daniels. You know what? If the rims aren't good though, then that's gonna be proof that he's drunk, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll be back.
All right.
Waiting for me, Jay.
No. Yeah, Jay.
Jay, are you drunk?
No, I'm
Victor
not.
said to me that you are all hooked up on Jack Daniels right now, but I think you seem drunk to me,
That's not
Victor. That guy, you know what I mean? Falsely accused. These look good. I said if the rims look bad, that means he's drunk, and they look good to me.
See?
Lies. God, man, I'm sorry.
It's all good.
Jay's fine. He's not drunk. What do you think?
We're getting mugged. I don't know.
Oh yeah, we're in a dark. This
We're
is
gonna
a
sneak
seedy
over there.
alley.
Watch. Look over there. See that building?
Oh, hi. What?
See the building over there?
Let's see. All right, so there's a lot of people. This is a lot of people for.
I don't think drone flying is going to be an option right now.
I don't think we can do it.
We'll sneak across the what used to be the road track. Get some shots of that.
Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Wait, don't give it away. Wonder what he's gonna do.
Okay, so the city called us out and they asked us to take a look at this. We're going to inspect it for any possible leaks.
That's very nice of you. And we're not even getting paid.
I know, it's a free service that we provide to the city.
We'll do a little swoop around, make sure nobody's watching us. Check it out. Let's see what the water tower looks like. I did call the police because I am hungry and I wanted to go. Oh, you can't prove it though. Or can you? Little did I dream. Little did I dream. Little did I dream. So that was exciting. How awesome it is.